Do you know the finance sector is booming, but students still struggle to land roles in core finance? Why? Because of two core reasons. Number one, they lack skills that industry demands. Number two, they lack the clarity of how to use these skills and turn into a thriving career. This is where Quintedge comes in. We train you in skills that are industry relevant through our investment banking program. And then comes the placement assistance program. It is not like those generic courses that give you 5 irrelevant job links and call it a day. We walk the journey with you. It begins with the resume revamp, AI interview prep, mock interviews with industry experts, counseling sessions, master classes by industry veterans, and access to our exclusive job portal. It is not just a placement assistance program, it is a launchpad to your career in finance. So, what does this journey actually looks like step by step? Let's break it down and understand every stage of placement assistance program and how it is going to help you get that dream finance job. Number 1 is AI based resume maker. Your journey begins with the most important document, your resume. It's not just list of qualifications, it's your personal brand, your story, your ticket to those high impact finance roles. And we don't leave it to guesswork. Our AI based resume maker is trained on thousands of resume approved and reviewed by industry veterans who have regularly checked in resumes that are actually approved by recruiters. You simply enter your details and it intelligently weaves a story, a narrative that recruiters actually want to read. It suggests high impact words, role specific phrases, and a format that screams finance ready. And here's the best part, it does not give you just one single draft. Instead, it gives you 3 powerful options to choose from because your career is not about templates, it's about the choices you make. Now comes the part most students feel, the interview. Well, imagine this. You walk into the interview room having already faced all the questions that can be asked in the room. Well, our AI based interview simulator prepares you exactly for that. Powered by advanced machine learning, it is built on the database from most asked interview questions of top finance firms. But it is more than just Q&A. It recreates the pressure, complexity, and the curveballs you will face, making every practice session a real thing. But what truly sets it apart is the feedback mechanism. The smart feedback will tell you where you are strong, where you are slipping, and where you have to improve. Plus, it adapts in real time, evolving the difficulty level based on your answers, as any real interviewer would do. So it's not just practice, it's preparation with precision. We also understand that when you are targeting high finance, interviews are not just a simple chat. Instead, it is a high pressure test of your knowledge, clarity, and composure. Which is why we do not leave your preparation to chance and directly throw you into mock interviews. Instead, we build you for them. First is HR interview prep, where you fine tune your story and clear your intent. Second, we have body language and presence coaching, where you understand how to make your first impression count. Then we have technical interview training that covers financial modeling, valuation, and market based case studies so you are ready for the mock interview sessions. Our mock interview sessions simulate the real deal, from pressure loaded investment banking panels to pitch desk presentations. You will face all kind of technical, behavioral, and stress scenarios that real recruiters use to filter out the best. You also get exclusive access to aptitude drills, numerical reasoning, logical puzzles, and verbal analysis under time pressure. Here, you are not just preparing, you are rehearsing for your actual role in finance. And by the time you walk into the interview room, you will be clear, composed, and ready to own the room. Getting interview ready is just one part of the puzzle. The real game begins with access, and that's exactly what our proprietary job portal provides. Whether you are from our CIB course aiming for roles in financial modeling, valuation, investment banking, or equity research, or you are somebody from ACCA, CMA, CPA backgrounds aiming for roles in management accounting, taxation, accountancy, auditing, our job portal is going to give you access to top careers in top firms, core finance firms, and big fours. But what makes it powerful is our AI based matching tech, which helps you identify the skill set and matches them with the relevant job sets. This helps you not just apply, but apply smartly. But access alone does not guarantee success. That's why we pair every opportunity with personalized guidance by our expert career counselors. They help you craft tailored applications for your dream roles, from cover letters to positioning strategies to applications that resonates with the recruiters. We stay with you through each stage, from shortlist to interview to offer letter. We are there so that each decision you take is informed and impactful. Your journey with Quintedge doesn't end with an offer letter. Instead, through our active alumni network, we give you lifelong access to learning, mentorship, and professional connections that keeps you plugged in into opportunities, trends, and industry insights for all the coming years. Beyond placements, we offer something that most platforms don't: strategic career counseling. This option is for somebody who want to look beyond their first job to the bigger picture. Our counselors help you map your long-term career trajectory, set milestones, and help you set goals that are aligned with your personal strengths and the future of evolving finance industry. So every move you make is calculated and future-proof. And finally, our experiential masterclasses led by ex-investment bankers and top industry professionals, which help you bring the real world to the classroom. From live deal simulations to financial modeling marathons, in a classroom setup, you are going to get everything that proves that you are ready for the high-paced environment of the finance industry. That's Quintedge Placement Assistance Program. It's not just about being placed, it's about being prepared, polished, and positioned for the long run. Our students don't just find jobs, they build careers that resonate with their ambition and purpose to create an impact. Join our placement assistance program and let's build the future of finance together.